We'll guide you through how to crop a video in CapCut using their desktop application. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your computer and start a new project by clicking the New Project button. Once you have your project open, you need to import your video clip. Click on the Import button at the top left and select the video file you want to crop. After your video is imported, drag it down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, to access the cropping tool, click on your video clip in the timeline to highlight it. Once it's selected, look for the Edit option in the toolbar above the timeline. Click on Edit and you'll see a variety of tools. Choose the Crop tool from the list. This will open up a cropping interface where you can adjust the borders of your video. Click and drag the corners or sides of the crop box to select the area you want to keep. You can also manually enter the dimensions if you need a specific size. After setting your crop, click Apply to confirm the changes. Make sure to preview your video to ensure the crop looks as expected. If you're satisfied with the crop, go ahead and export your video by clicking the Export button at the top right. Choose your export settings and hit Export again to save your cropped video to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully cropped your video using CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.